Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this Halloween tutorial from Inspired by Betty Boop. So if you guys would like to know how I created this, make sure you guys stay tuned, and also don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by applying some of the Eylure's glow stick, and then this is just simply to cover up the eyebrows. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Revelon Color Stay Makeup, and this is SPF 20. So this is what I'm going to be using now. So here I have a sponge. And we're going to go ahead and apply these all over the face. Now to seal my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is in 20 Light Medium. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be using the Sugar pencil, and this is in black, and we're going to go ahead and draw the brows, and we're going to start off here by the forehead and pull it all the way down. Okay, so to create the eye look, we're going to be using these Hush Hush from the Bling Boss palette, and this is by Morphe Jaclyn Hill. So I'm going to go ahead and create the illusion of the eye. So what we want to do is apply the eyeshadow just right above or closest to the eyebrows. So going with a different palette, I'm going to be using this brown right here, and I'm going to go ahead and darken up the eye. So I'm just going to go ahead around the eye and darken it a little bit. Just make sure that you shade it over. Alright you guys, so what I did was pack some of these glitter, and this is from Naked Cosmetics, and this is the Sierra Nevada SN04. So this is the one that I've used just to create that eye reflection. So for the eye, I'm going to be using the Jonte Blue black eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and try to make the eyes a little bigger, the eyeliner a little bit more bigger. Now to enlarge the eyes, I'm going to be using this white eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and apply these in the waterline and then go all the way down. So we're gonna go back with the black ink pen, and we're gonna go ahead and connect the black lid and go all the way down here. So with the same ink pen, we're going to go ahead and draw the lashes since I don't have any. I'm going to go ahead and draw them on. So for the top, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more of the lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and try to sculpt up the nose. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Crop Sardinia scent, and so I'm going to outline the lips, and I'm going to be using the NYX Sweat and Made lip liner, and this is a pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and shape in the lip. So I'm going to add some highlighting to the lips and at the tip of the nose, and I'm going to be using the NYX Lovejasmine highlight palette, which is this one right here. Now, since I don't have the wig, I'm going to go ahead and draw lines of the hairs that she has.
A, B, C, D.